guys, welcome back to the channel. I am joined today by two fantastic food bloggers, food lovers, food photographers, amazing, beautiful ladies. It is Claire Thomas from Kitchen and Tieghan Gerard from Half Baked Harvest. I know, I had to go extra, you know.
Why not?
We are here, we're going to be making an epic brunch and we're going to detail a few of the different recipes, but today's recipe is going to be by you, Tieghan. We're going to make a banana bread, right?
Yes, chocolate chunk banana bread with like some coconut. It is so good.
Sounds amazing.
And while we're prepping that, you're going to be doing
I'm going to go set the table. I'm going to go do some flowers, make it look pretty. So I'll leave you guys to it.
Okay,
We'll
right.
see you.
in a
Let's
minute.
make some banana bread.
Some banana bread. This is a banana bread with a bit of a difference, right?
Yes, you know me. I like to add like a nice special touch to things. So we're doing a little bit of coconut flavor and chocolate chunks.
Nice.
Yes.
I feel like it's criminal not to have banana bread without or with chocolate.
Yeah,
Hang on.
It's not criminal. It's just boring.
Yes, exactly. I feel very upset when my banana bread does not have chocolate chunks.
I mean, like you could do like a nice fruit or something, but like go
this is
for
where
it.
it's at.
Chocolate
This is where it's
chunk.
at. So how do we start this banana bread?
So yeah, I just throw all the bananas in the bowl and then I like to mash them with a fork because who doesn't have a fork?
This is it.
Yeah.
I actually ended up mashing potatoes with a whisk the other day, and it works.
Is
You
that
could do the
an
same
Irish
with
thing to do?
No, not at all.
I feel like they might look down on you for that.
I just didn't have a potato masher, but it's all, you know,
You
like
use
simple.
What you, have,
use what you
right?
have. Exactly.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Exactly.
So just mash them up with a fork until
Okay.
they're really finely mashed. You're gonna have some chunks of bananas
Right.
in there, like you do what you like, and then add all of our wet ingredients.
Very excited that this is all happening in one bowl and there's no loads of things going on.
Sometimes people just like to make recipes too fussy. I feel like it's like just keep it simple. So we're gonna do all of our wet and then we're gonna add all of our dry, which is just basically some flour and baking soda. Easy, you guys.
Simple recipes. That's what you're here for, and that's what you should go over to her for.
And also, what I love about this recipe is it just uses honey too, so it's not even that sugar heavy. Like
So there's no sugar in this?
Just honey.
Well, see, there you go.
I-
So this is mixed up.
This is mixed.
All
yeah.
done. That was easy.
Right? Don't you love that it's in one bowl
I
too?
feel like I could do that in my sleep. It's really, really good.
Less dishes, easy for the morning.
Yeah.
So good.
See, you can make this at home. Come
You
on.
can definitely make this at home, you guys. So
Okay.
we are going to put this in a baking or loaf pan, and it is going to be 350 for like 50 to 60 minutes.
Can we just take a moment and view how beautiful this looks? My
Oh,
goodness.
it's the chocolate chunk.
Chocolate chunks.
And like when we slice it, we'll drizzle it with a little honey.
Is that how you're gonna finish it, with a drizzle of honey?
Of course.
Oh my, this is gonna be the best brunch table ever.
I
I'm
know,
so excited.
best.
Okay, so will we see how Claire's getting on?
Yeah, let's go see let's go find out what she's
go
doing.
find out what she's
you know,
doing. Come
come
on.
on.
I love using these style of flowers for making a garland. And the reason why I'm doing a garland is because it's not very high, so it doesn't block any of the food. You can still see all of your friends. And these style of flowers are fantastic. These are South African pincushions, which means that if you trim them, they actually just can stay on the table all day, and afterwards you can pop them in a vase.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this delicious brunch recipe and this epic brunch spread. A huge thank you to Claire from Kitchen and of course to lovely Tieghan from Half Baked Harvest. If you haven't, please go and subscribe to their channels and check them out on Instagram as well. If you want all the recipes that we've made for this epic brunch, we will leave a link in the description box below and it'll all be over there. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. And until then, we're going to tuck in, so we'll see you soon. Bye.
Donald.
Donald.
Donald?
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 There you go.
Donald.
Boom. Boom.
Donald.
Yeah.